What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and here on my balcony in Phuket, Thailand. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make $100 per day at 16 to 17 years old, and how you can start applying these methods today to start cashing out. Make sure to subscribe to get future valuable content. We're going to step behind the computer right freaking now and get into it.
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
Alright, so let's get right to it. So basically what I'm going to teach you guys is, as a lazy 16 or 17 year old, obviously if you're not that age, this applies to you, anybody can do this, how to generate $100 a day easily, like so freaking easy. So basically, and guys, if you guys get to that point and you're working a job and it's paying you $700 a week, do the math. You make $100 a week, making $700 a week, you can quit that damn job, right? So basically, if we have to make $100 a day, we have to do the simple math, right? So we have to do find a product, right, for this dollar amount, and then let's just say low, and then product B, or product, the same product, right, we're simply going to go ahead and sell it for this dollar amount. Let's just say high, and this is called arbitrage. That's simply what it's called. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take the spread. So let me give you an example. The spread is, let's just say if I sell a iPhone case at or if I buy one at $30 and I sell it for $50, right? That's $20 per month, or not per month, that's $20 an item, right? And I just got to sell 5 of those per day. Now you're probably thinking, well, what if I have no money? What if I have no investment? What if I have, like, what if I can't buy freaking, what if I can't afford? Because if you do the math, guys, if you were to buy 5 of those a day and then sell 5 of those a day, that's what is that, 30? So I just had a, okay, so that's $150 a day that you'd have to invest to make $100 in profit, right? Now basically what I'm going to introduce you to is something called drop shipping. So drop shipping is simply when you don't own a product, right? You could simply find products that are low and then find a way to promote them for high, and you simply get the spread, right? Now there's different ways to do drop shipping. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one of the easiest methods that I know of, right, that you can do absolutely free, $0. You could be lazy as hell and you don't have to do any advertisement or any promotions, right? Because this platform will literally promote it yourself, right? Or for yourself. So an example, and guys, there's all types of places that you guys can find places, but just to show you an easy example, I'm gonna go to Walmart, right? So just different items. Let's just say watches. So watches, let's just say I was to go to this one. Right now it's selling for $59.99, right? So if I was to click on this, and let's just say I was to right click this, and I was to save the image, right? And then I go right here, copy this, go to eBay, see what they're selling for. And right now 25, 24, 23. So I'm going to go mid-range at 24.70. And that's bought because I'm in Thailand right now, because I do practice what I preach. I'm a digital entrepreneur. I travel full time. So let's do the conversions really quick. 24.70. 24.70. That's 77. So we bought it for 59, sold it for 77, right? Because guys, remember, eBay is going to do all the selling for us. They're going to do all the marketing for us. We don't have to do jack shit. and they have the same exact image. Where's eBay? Same image. You can literally copy and paste the image, post it up. Once somebody buys it, what you're gonna do, somebody's literally gonna check out, they're gonna purchase your item, and with the money that they purchase it with, you're simply just gonna go on Walmart or anywhere, right? Add it to your cart. You're gonna go to check out, and then once you check out, you're gonna put in your card details, but remember you're using their money. And then what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead and obviously have to create an account or whatever, but you're simply gonna go ahead and put in their details, meaning their address. You're gonna put in their name, and what's gonna happen is they're gonna be get the product that they're purchasing, the watch. And what's gonna happen is some people are asking me, Eric, if they see Walmart, right, or if they see like my details on it, like, are they gonna care? Absolutely not. You'll be so surprised. People simply when they purchase a product, they could care less, right? Now, just to show you that it's just not a one-hit wonder, let's go to computer desks, right? Or actually, let's just do desks. So if we go to desks, we'll click this one right here, and we'll use this. So basically, I'm going to click on this, right? Remember, what I'll do is just copy the image, go to copy that, see what they're selling it for. So they're selling it for $49 here on eBay. So some people are selling it for this. So I'll say, because some people are selling it for as high as 4,700 baht. So 3174. Let's go to 3174. So $99 on Walmart. It is being sold for $49. So that's $50. So let's do the math really quick. $50. You're trying to make $100 a day. $50 times 2, $100 a day. So all you have to do is literally get the image, put the post, right? Exactly how it is on Walmart. Put the post. eBay is going to market it for you. You don't have to do anything because people are searching, organically searching for, if I go on eBay and type in computer desk, right? There's going to be different options. Now here's the thing. When it comes to this, right, if you want to get sales quicker, all you have to do is simply make sure that your prices are lower. So if you notice, this guy's going to get his sold quicker. And he has pretty good product rating. This guy's is going to get sold quicker than these two, right? So these guys are being a little bit greedy. They're trying to make more money. And then, last but not least, let's just say computer chair, right? So you can make $50. So you generate 2 sales a day. Boom, quit your job. You're golden. Right here, computer desk. We'll do this one. The first one is the easiest for me. So mid-back mesh ergonomic computer chair, office chair, black. $39.99, and it looks pretty dope. So we'll go to eBay. See what they're selling it for, 1,700, 1,800, 2,000. So we'll go in the middle. So I told you, some people are trying to get way more for it. But we'll go to 1,871. Do the conversions. 1,871. So 58. They're selling it for, on Walmart, they're selling it for 39. So what number do we get? 39 and 58. So you do the math, 58 minus 39. So the spread is $19. Now what's 100 divided by $19? That's 5. So you have to literally generate about 5 sales a day. So all you have to do is you can simply create multiple posts, right? Now depending on your eBay ranking and like how many, like there's a limit to the amount of items that you guys can post, right? So this is more so a long-term game. If you notice, this guy is the top rated seller, and look what he's doing, right? 1706, 5% off, right? All he's doing is drop shipping. You think he owns this? No, he's a top rated seller because he does this full time. And he's probably making way more than $100 a day. He's making 100, 200, 300, 400. Because as the top seller, he's able to post multiple freaking posts, multiple items. And all he's doing is, as these items are getting sold, where are we? As these items are getting sold, what he's doing is going to ask the information, right? So it's going to ask for the address, and then it's going to ask for the info as far as the person. He's simply placing a product on eBay, product A. Somebody buys it. He uses that money to purchase it somewhere for cheap, right? And he purchases it with their money, right? At a cheaper price. He puts in their info for the shipping details, and whatever that spread is, let's just say it's $20 to $30. Rinse and repeat. What he uses now, what happens is you're making this money, right? What you can do is get a little bit fancier, and you can start reinvesting this money into two type of things. You can actually start your own business, like with Amazon FBA, which is a whole nother topic. Amazon FBA is when you can simply buy your own products, right? Amazon will store it in one of their warehouses, right? You have a whole bunch of products. Product A, product B, product C. So these are your products stored, right? And you're buying them at wholesale, and then you're getting people to buy them on Amazon. You're shipping it to them, and then you're keeping the spread. Or you can go ahead and, I mean, you can get creative with this money, guys. So this would be the easiest way to start. Now, are you going to make $100 a day right off? I mean, it's dependent on you, right?